Many combo pots get a little flat in the center.
Mm-hmm.
We have some unique plant ideas to add height to your mixed container.
Just thinking of, it's like a bald spot.
That's right. Like
mine.
That's right.
I'm getting two more. The show's getting a little personal. But where they do, as the plants grow, they hang over the edge, and that you see that darn Dracaena spike, and it just looks like grass. In the beginning, it's like kind of there.
That's it.
We can do better, folks. We've got better ideas. If you like the look of the grass, how would you like to have the bonus of a flower? Daylilies. Take a 1 gallon daylily, put that in the middle of the pot, and use that instead.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, daylilies to me are like the perfect choice. If you use like a Stella d'Oro daylily,
they keep flowering.
and they keep flowering all summer,
Right.
and they don't get like real out of control.
Yeah. Easy.
That's
really
a nice choice, I think. You brought in Julio. Julio picked up some plants here. If you're looking on YouTube, he brought an Australian tree fern, and it's little. But Australian tree ferns, we used to get them out of California, and that these things were big. I mean, the Australian tree fern can be brought into the house and treated as a house plant later on. But for the center of a pot,
That'd be awesome.
it would look awesome because the fronds on these guys can get to be 3 foot tall.
Wow.
So it would.
Statement.
It's
a big statement.
To me, I'm trying to figure out how I can use them.
Yeah.
And again, the different types of ornamental grasses
Oh, yeah. We have one here.
work great. I actually have a plan for a pot that I'm going to use elephant ears.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep. Going to use elephant ears.
Big pot, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yep. And that little dwarf Jean's Dillies,
Oh,
Alberta spruce.
Yeah.
Because then not only do you have it in the summertime and everything looks with the combo pots, but when they're done, you still have something in that pot to take care of, and put some lights on it in the wintertime, and then it stays good. What about you, Julio? Have any ideas?
I like the banana plant. They're
Yeah,
I know you need a nice big pot for that too, but it makes a great statement.
it does. It does. Big tropical.
tropical
You're
look,
feeling like you're down in the islands.
Yeah, that's right. Especially me.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
We've got a lavender in studio, and lavender's a great choice too.
It is a great choice.
It's
smells great.
different. It has a great texture, has a good flower.
Mm-hmm.
You just got to make sure you pick a variety that's going to be tall enough. You don't want it to be. You want it to at least get to be 12 to 18 inches or taller, because the shorter ones are going to be just overtaken by some of the aggressive hybrid annuals that you would plant. You can also plant a type of climbing vine, where we talked about the lobelia flower, but there's a number of other things, like there's morning glories and different types of climbing vines that you can use. And that what you do is you put to me, you could put a tomato cage upside down and nobody would know. That there are different ones that will work in a combo pot because it will keep it contained. And again, don't fear the shears, right? Yeah. There's also like miniature roses. Miniature roses are
petite,
where we'll work in that center.
Right.
Tree rose.
Tree rose, yeah.
We also have at Bloomers, and we have a lot of tree plants, tree-formed lantana, tree-formed fuchsia, tree-formed rosemary. So when you're cooking on the barbecue, you just grab some.
Yeah. That's a beautiful.
But that's a great idea,
Yeah,
and it's a tree form, so it's going to be tall. So it's going to be that 18 inches, 24 inches, and that there's so many different types of, and there are those dwarf tree-formed roses too.
Yeah.
Coming in.
A lot of choices there.
Go to your local garden center there and get some ideas, and try to resist the desire to just go grab one of those pots and just here we go. That's what it is.
Well, they can grab a pot and then make their own too.
Well, that's what I'm saying. It's like don't grab the
grab
ones that are already done, where the
use
growers just ching,
Ching.
where they just
Cookie cutter.
put them out. Yeah, cookie cutter. They do 1,000 of the same, and then like you look at the porch of suburbia, and it's like yep, there it is.
Yeah.
Petunia, verbena, Dracaena spike. Again, Petunia, Dracaena. Anyway.
Yeah.
Try to do something creative. And here's something, gladiola bulbs
Oh, yes.
has a leaf that's very similar to Dracaena spike, but again, it'll send up a spike. Also, we just got in German bearded iris.
Yes, beautiful.
Okay, that would be great for the center. So again, there are
Even without the
lots
flower.
of options, and it doesn't have to be something that's flowering. It could be completely different, but it just has to be somewhat small and contained where it doesn't take over the pot.